Mm, mm. Today I'm actually doing a live video. I'm not gonna lie, I just woke up, so I'm super exhausted. See if we can catch up. Real quick. And sorry if I'm talking real low, I'm just super exhausted. Might be taking a cell here in a second. Not very clean, but alright. Report an early entry off this trade. I'll put my stop loss up a little bit. I just entered right here. Probably right here. Am I saying this was a smart trade? Honestly, I don't know. We're finna find out. Okay. Some of that's playing out. I'm gonna show you guys why I took this trade. Okay, so the reason I took this trade is we already took out the hourly high Previous to 9:30. Excuse me. And plus, we were already looking like we were going in a downtrend. As you can see, this is a high, this is a low, this is a low, this is a high. And then longer down the lines, we don't break this high. So now we're starting to go low, high, low, high, low, high. So this just could be like, and what I mean by low heights, since we're being in a downtrend, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low. If we were in an uptrend, it would be higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So after I seen us break this um hourly high, I saw this inverse fair value gap, and I don't see this on my actual platform that I'm trading off of. I see it actually on TradingView. So I basically took a very impulsive buy. I mean, impulsive sell the moment that I seen market kind of break through this zone. I'm gonna see how it plays out. It honestly looks like it might be quick, to be honest. As long as it takes out liquidity to the downside. Not guaranteed that this is gonna be a successful trade. I'm taking a risk when I ain't gonna lie to you. This right here might be huge. You know how market decides. Sure, not look crazy. So currently I have this I'm looking at my laptop, I'm looking at my PC, and I'm also looking at my phone. That's kind of why you're seeing me look left, right, forward, and actually on my phone. So I'm all over the place, but I'm not playing no more games about missing entries because of one simple thing. So that's kind of why I'm so focused right now. And for people that don't know, understand that don't know anything about trading right now, the main thing you need to focus on is your emotions when it comes to actually being in a trade and trading live. You know, when you're trading by yourself, you're gonna have your emotions, but when you can actually sit there and be confident regardless if you take a loss, it helps you in general know that you're not just taking impulsive decisions. You're making decisions off of strategy. That's what helps with, being a better trader. It really depends on your attitude when you do things. Did you do it because you wanted to just be in the market, or did you do it because you had a reason? I have a reason. That's why I'm not necessarily like stressing myself out about it. And does that mean that my reason's gonna be valid? That I do not know until the market plays out. I was wondering what just happened. Let me make sure my video didn't mess up. Okay, good. We could just go for some random pullback, or it could just be price getting ready for um 10 o'clock moves. This lagging is scaring me. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's making me worried. I don't want my videos to be acting weird. Good, it didn't stop. Let me put this back up. I think this is actually gonna play out. Oh gosh. Huge buying. Okay, there we go. We should be good. Should be a quick, easy little dub. I know we took out this low, but I wouldn't say that's anything important. Oh my gosh. I'm not liking how laggy my computer is. It's making me worried. It's making me think that my videos are getting stopped. In my previous video, I was just explaining to you guys that my laptop's acting up, so that's why I'm kind of so worried. I'm more worried about the freaking video than I am what's going on. As you can see, in the blink of an eye, price just did a drastic move up to the side, move to the upside. We're gonna see what happens. See, let's see, let's see. I'm honestly not even mad if I take a loss. I kid you not. I've taken so many losses just because market is, in other words, broken. Like liquidity is just not working necessarily correct in the markets right now. Like liquidity will be swept and then it'll still ignore the fact that it just created a liquidity sweep. And usually when price sweeps liquidity, regardless if it's with the trend or against it, price usually does either a draw down or it continues to just make some type of movement. But lately, like liquidity's been off because I'm trading the same as TJR and he's catching these losses too. So that's why I'm like, I don't think this is necessarily a mental thing. I think it's more necessarily market just acting in its own direction. Like there's technical and fundamental trading, and technical is basically just going off of And correct me if I'm wrong. Technical is just going straight off the market, what you see, and then fundamental, you're looking at news, you're looking at reasoning behind why this price moves the way it does. Sometimes, I just look at it like fundamental does what he wants to do some days. And me not being a fundamental trader, I don't know anything about that. If I'm correct. Right now I'm negative. See what price does with this fair value gap. Either it busts through, either it's gonna bust through and we got a valid selling, or it's gonna retest and we're gonna get scraped off the yard. Do it. Don't you do it. Why is it so aggressive to the other side? Hmm. Let's see. Weird. I thought about everything out. It says that and then have to get taken out. Flip away. There we go. All right, just called me a L. So, uh, like I said, this stuff does not bother me. Like, even if it was me trading live, because currently, like, well, on a live account, currently I've been trading demo, and I'm actually gonna make a video about demo here pretty soon, and I honestly might make a trading video about liquidity. So that's basically it for me. I mean, Price just is doing what he wants to do. I marked up my zones, marked out what I thought was, gonna happen in the market. Price takes out higher time frame liquidity, but still decides to go in the direction that it takes it out without necessarily huge drawdown. And I'm not saying like it needs to create a massive drawdown, but like I'll explain to you why I took the trade. All right, so you have your low right here. Oh, you have your higher time frame low, which is your hourly low, hourly high. So mark out previously our highs, our lows, and now that I realize that there was liquidity up here to the upside, but realistically we didn't even take out any. We didn't take out any types of liquidities. Like I said, we didn't take out no lows. We just did a little bit of a drawdown. Decided to go higher. Yeah, so there might be an entry here in a second. I'm just gonna say it might be. I'm not gonna guarantee it. But I don't know how to explain this stuff. Like it just kind of is what it is. And price has just been poop. Like, oh my god. I'm a little bit sleepy too, so forgive me. Oh my goodness, I think I might enter. Yo, let's just make an impulsive decision. Let's see what it does. Show me a retest. I'm gonna get rid of this just for now. I can see with all this in my face. Show me a retest off this. No, we didn't take out this liquidity, but let's see what happens. So, just create. This might be the one, ladies and gents. See if I can catch a dub. I'm glad I didn't end the video. See, you're gonna wait for this retest. There's two fair value gaps lined up. This is an inverse, and then this one is a regular fair value gap going with the trend. I want to wait for this retest, and then if it comes to retest it, I will enter. Now with this fair value gap right here, this is previous to price doing everything else that it's been doing, but I want to see price hit this fair value gap. Like I'm very determined on this one, and if it gets swept again, then it is what it is. I'm not gonna sit here and cry about it. Come on, give me a retest. Come on. I have not prayed today. Mhm. Normally, I don't usually do that stuff, but it was just a last minute thing that I just remembered that I have not prayed. And I'm sorry. I'm not here to glorify myself by praying in front of people on camera. I do it because my my Father in heaven. I gotta show respect. He showed me mercy and love, so We not finna play games about that. It might be a impulsive candle here in the next few moments, just because it's about to be 10 o'clock. This candle might end up hitting this fair value gap to the upside, or it might just continue to make a downtrend candle. It might be, you never know. This price likes to make me mad. Previous to 10 o'clock. All right, let's see what price does. I think it's about to be a huge expansion again to the downside. I honestly might sell here. Debatable on this candle. I really want it to be a blue candle, just so you guys can see a buying candle, which is blue, and my selling candles are black. But I really want this to be a blue candle right now. Come on. If not, I might enter right here because as you can see, we're retesting this on the other end. Okay, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Price can't get above this zone on this candle I'm selling. Go ahead and sell. All right, I sold off this candle. Let's see if this plays out. Stop. Wish that was a trade. All right, let's see what happens. The reason I took this sell is we had an inverse fair value gap right here that is created because price decided to break through the box and then also come back and retest the zone and create a rejection off of it. So now I'm trying to see what price wants to do. I'm just debating if I want this TP 605. I can take an extra. Okay, so I'm debating if I want my TP to be here or if I want my TP to be a previous low down here, which I'm not necessarily liking, but with price coming to take out liquidity, it wouldn't surprise me if it did. So I'm gonna keep it right here right now. And what I'll do is if price starts to, get real scary, if we get down to price movement down here and price starts getting real scary, then I'll just be ready to pull out. If not, then I'm going to be taking profits down here. So we're going to see. Might not just ditch. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta sneeze. I'm going to use this. I promise you, if I don't win this one, I'm gonna go get me some coffee. Sitting here, first thing I did when I woke up was jump up and look at this phone, which as a Christian, I am proud of that. But, you know, try. I'm trying. Try not to be lazy. I mean, I literally went to sleep at like 2 something, like 2:30, 3 o'clock, and then woke up probably around 6 something or 7 something, and then passed back out, and then 9:30. I got an alarm for 9:30, so that's kind of why I like jumped up so quick. And I was like, oh gosh, bro, let's make a live video. It's my off day, so just get right into it. So tired.
You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Um,
No, you're good. You're good. I just didn't know like if you was comfortable.
can you edit that out?
No.
You can't?
Mm-mm. Wow, too. I could try. Dang. There's gonna be a trade at 2 o'clock. That's insane. I want to see what that looks like. Might make a video on that, to be honest. And I said that last time and then I forgot. Stuff like that is just huge. You never know what's gonna happen. So tired. Oh man. Price, you suck right now. I'm getting sick and tired of this. This is the boring part. This is the part where you just stare at everything and nothing happens. Sitting here, not doing jada, nada. It's ready to play Apex. But dude, let me tell you something. If you're a gamer and you play Apex, oh my god, it is the most trashiest game in the world. But obviously, I like trash because I play it too much. That game, kid you not, I'll be playing it. The ranking system is not nowhere near fair. I get people. I'm in platinum right now because we just had a new split. New split means that it changes your rank because it's a new season. I'm playing with platinums. Dude, these guys suck. Oh my gosh, they're bad. And I don't speak, I ain't gonna lie, I'm that type of person that when it comes to gaming, I'm talking junk. But man, these dudes suck. Like, I know this is off topic, but they suck. They horrible, bad, worst of worst. You get teammates, and if anybody don't know what Apex is, it's a battle royale, but you have 3 and 3. You're stuck with a third if you're in rank. And dude, these people suck. I mean, like they don't team shine. They play 1v3s. They're I don't even know how they got to platinum because they play like they're in bronze. I literally was watching somebody. Everybody knows how to run. Everybody knows how to escape. Dude, shoot a gun. That's how you know if someone's good at the game or not. Dude, literally, I just can't. I can't. Like I don't understand how you could play gaming. You can game all the time, all day, and you suck. Because I literally go to work about majority of the day, and I come over here just to play with trash people. Talk about being rage baited. Like that's the most frustrating thing. And if anybody doesn't know this, I think it just might be my PC. But when I play Apex and my freaking there's so much going on, it boots you out the game a lot of times. There's a lot of people that get booted off of Apex because of how much stuff runs around like on that game, like with, you know, was it gigabyte size, whatever it may be, like all the size, I can't even freaking speak. All the things that go off in the game, it makes it just basically like crash a lot, which sucks. Be in the middle of a ranked game, literally freaking top 3, and then your game crashes. That's literally happened to me. So beware of trash on Apex. But there's a new skin for Pathfinder, and I really like it. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's crazy. I got a Nissan Pathfinder. Praise the Lord. What is this freaking garbage movement? Do something other than taking out my money. Do something reliable for once today in the mighty name of Jesus. It is literally 10 freaking 14. What is this price movement? I'm actually gonna look at gold right now. The way SPX has been moving lately, I might go back to gold. I just want realistic price action. And yeah, some people say, this is realistic. This junk don't know if it want to go up or down. Make it make sense. Up, down, up, down. Like, oh snap. Straight the crap out of me. I ain't playing no freaking games today. We're going to come out with the big guns. You gonna frustrate the crap out of me. You gonna bring your mother freaking tail over here. God darn it. I said God. Just in case any of you guys are like, oh, he was using God's name in vain. I don't do that. I love my father. I love him. Make that y'all accurate. Get your butt down here. Not playing this stupid games. Break past that red line and go hit this stupid line over here. So I can be out of here. So I can be done. Over here making videos just to look embarrassed. What? You need to leave. Maybe it was so. Doing it. Keep doing it. You're doing it. Keep doing it. And built a house before Parks actually decided that it was going to take this low. Survey gap and go back down. Take your butt down to the bottom side. No, that's not what I said. I said take your butt to the downside. What are you doing? You always have to obey the magnet. If you ain't obeying the magnet, then you're just straight up cheating. Come on now. Do it.
Oh,
I could have been. I took a nap. I nap feels. It feels so good right now. Like literally, I'm barely just wanting to close my eyes and just be on my bed. But no, I'm here making this video with price to be going 0.01 pip for 5 minutes. Talk about stressful. Go. What is this? Disgusting. Disgusting price movement. There's so much going on. I don't understand. Prices are struggling to go down. Like there must be a huge counter about to come into play. So maybe this 10:30 news might do it. This big old stupid thing ain't doing me no justice. I honestly really want to target down here because it's making me think that's where price is gonna do. Price is gonna go the moment that it gets out of this stupid consolidating phase. Been here since BC, man. Come on. 10:30 don't do nothing, then I'm just gonna exit. Exit with profit. I can't. Oh goodness. 3 more minutes of pain. Was 10 seconds. Thank you. You know, Chinese food sounds really good right now. I had no breakfast, no nothing. Feel like some, you know how those people, well, they come up to you and be like, I kind of want some of that right now. Because it'd be fresh. And then you eat too much of it and then you about to explode. What did 1030 do? Not a jack-o'-lantern. All it freaking did was take out this higher time frame low. I'm getting frustrated, dog. Like, I don't want to be here. And then I'm 80. Like, I got a family. This is frustrating. I'm ready to fall asleep, dude. This is trash. I joined this market with excitement just to get played and just be sitting here to do nothing. Mm. Alright. See, I'm not the one to upload an hour plus video, so this is insane. Just got an Amber Alert. Well, listen, I'm about to just turn this off. Like, I don't have time to sit here and just stare at the markets all day. Like, price movement is trash. Honestly, it's frustrating the crap out of me. It's what it is, but I'm out here. Can't. I'm too tired. It's too early. I don't know, maybe it is just early, so see you later.